Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we are making beef fried rice, guys. This recipe is quick and easy to make, and it is amazing. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, we're going to cook our ground beef over high heat. So go ahead and place that right in here, and we're going to cook our ground beef for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to add our hoisin sauce, soy sauce, our garlic, white pepper. So go ahead and give that a stir. So after adding in all your spices, we are going to take our ground beef out and place it into a bowl. So after removing the beef, we are going to add some oil. And here's my peas. What I did is I added about 1/4 cups of water to the peas, and I microwaved it for about 90 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is dump this water out. Add my rice. And my rice has been cooked and chilled in the fridge overnight. So I'm just going to stir so it doesn't stick. Now take your peas and add it to your rice. So since my wok is too full and I cannot cook the eggs on the side, I am going to be using a separate pan, guys. I'm going to add some oil and we're going to scramble some eggs. So here's my scrambled eggs. Now take your eggs and place it right in here. We're going to add some garlic powder, some salt, soy sauce, okay, go ahead and mix that in. Add your meat back in. Add in your scallions. Give that a good mix. Oh, take a look at my beef fried rice, guys. Doesn't it look amazing? I am gonna go serve this with some orange chicken. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I'll catch you guys later.